Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch story on Instagram without seeing. So I'm going to show you some steps or some hacks how you can do this. For this, first of all, just open up the Instagram application. So this is my Instagram application as you can see, and these three persons has the stories. So I just want to watch the third story. So what I have to do is you just have to tap on this second person story, and now if you want to watch the third person story, what you have to do is you just have to tap and hold on your finger. If you swipe to the left, you can see now you can view the story of this account as well. So that's how you can view the other person's story without them knowing. Now if I go back, I can see this person's story as well. So you just have to tap on the account. So you just have to tap on the other person's account, and you just have to tap and hold your finger and swipe it to the account you want to see the story from, like this. And you can view the story from the person you don't want to give notification of your seeing. And now the other way is what you can do is you can come out from Instagram and open up your browser. So you have to search for this iGanoni.com, tap on this first website, and now you can see this kind of interface. So you just have to enter the username of the person you want to saw the story. Like in my case, if I go to this person, so if you scroll down, you can see this person had the story, and now you can see the story as well. This is the story of this person. You can see this is the story of this person, and if there is a video you can play the story, and you can also download the story as well. So these are two ways. Now I'm going to show you the third way. Just open the Instagram application again, and now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on these three bars, and what you have to do is you can restrict your account. So if you restrict your account, you can watch anybody's story, they will not get a notification. So these three ways, that's how you can saw the story without seeing. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.